Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tech and finance tips to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to transfer money from your bank to PayPal in 2025. With the ever-evolving digital world, PayPal has rolled out some sleek updates, making transfers faster and more secure than ever. Whether you're a freelancer getting paid or just sending money to friends, this guide will have you sorted in no time. First things first, make sure you have a PayPal account set up. If not, head to the PayPal website or app and create one. It's quick and free. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Wallet section. Here, you'll see an option to link a bank account. Click on that and select your bank from the list of supported institutions. PayPal now supports instant linking for most major banks in 2025, thanks to advanced API integrations. Next, you'll need to verify your bank account. This usually involves entering your bank's login credentials securely through PayPal's encrypted portal. No more waiting for those pesky micro deposits. After verification, go to the Transfer Money feature. Enter the amount you want to move from your bank to your PayPal balance. Double-check the details to avoid any errors, as PayPal's 2025 updates include real-time fraud detection that might flag unusual activity. Hit Confirm, and voila! The funds should appear in your PayPal account within minutes, depending on your bank's processing time. Remember, fees might apply based on your location and bank, so keep an eye on that. Pro tip: always use a secure internet connection for these transactions to protect your info. And if you run into any issues, PayPal's AI-powered chat support is top-notch now. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more finance hacks, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe and savvy out there. See you in the next video.